Hello, Habari, Wendy Water here. I hope you're doing well. I did a really cool thing, which is designing my own shoe. And it was at the store right here in Nairobi, recently opened. It's called Uzuri K&Y. Uzuri is at the village market. So I have a bit of a history with the store. 2 years ago when I was in Kigali, I was just wandering around Kigali Heights and I stumbled upon this store and it was just like, fireworks, hot eyes. Soon as I walked in, because I just loved the sandals there so much that I ended up buying like 10 pairs. So if you scroll through my Instagram feed, most of the sandals I'm typically wearing are from Uzuri. As in this video, I'm going to show you guys the behind the scenes process of how the shoes were designed at their workshop in Kigali. And then we're going to meet back here and go out to the village market to pick them up. So enjoy this video. So these are just some clips from the workshop in Kigali that shows you the entire process, the behind the scenes of how the 2 pairs of shoes I ordered were getting made. So if you come in, you place your order, they take your measurements and they take you through the entire process of like picking out the material, the shape of the shoe, the design, the color, everything. It's a really fun process and they're involved as well. So if you struggle to find sandals, or you just want a particular style, customized for you, then they can make it all wide feet, long feet, flat feet, even just regular sized feet. Really excited when I was wandering around the village market and realized that they've actually opened an outlet in Nairobi. So, placed an order for some shoes, which they made back in their workshop in Kigali. So I'm excited to try them out today. I'm also going to take you guys around the store to see what they have available. And yeah, we're just going to do some shopping. I mean, who doesn't love new shoes, right? Especially ones as colorful and comfortable as these ones. So let's look around. They're in my size.
They are? So you're taking one of them? Oh no, thank God, because you know what happened. Yes. I'm so happy. It's not the color you wanted.
So definitely want to try these on.
Yes, please.
So now that I'm happy with my 2 pairs of shoes, I really love them. They fit very, very well. I'm glad you called us for making me smile is such a fun. Oh gosh, a tiny little sandal. Yeah.